Okay, now we talked about adding and subtracting and how those two things undo each other. And multiplication and division also undo each other. Okay, so here's some examples of what that looks like. If I have 3 times x equals 15, okay, I ask myself, what's happening to x here, right? Because remember, I'm always going to undo what's happening to x. So I'm asking myself, what's happening to x? Oh, it's being multiplied by 3. What's the opposite of multiplication? It's division. So I'm going to divide by 3. And remember, if I divide by 3 on one side of my equal sign, I divide by 3 on the other side of my equal sign. So this is x is being multiplied by 3 and divided by 3. Those kind of cancel each other out. And this is 15 divided by 3 is 5. What about something like this? This says x divided by 2 is 7. Some number divided by 2 is 7. Okay, now, so right now, what's happening to x? That's the question I asked myself. What's happening to x? Well, x is being divided by 2. So what's the opposite of dividing by 2? I'm going to multiply by 2. Okay, x equals 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, and finally, what about this one? What's happening here? Well, there is a negative sign here. This is a negative 1 that's being multiplied by x. So what's happening to x? It's being multiplied by negative 1, right? There's a number right next to an x, so it's being multiplied. And in this case, it's being multiplied by a negative number. So I'm going to divide. It's being multiplied by negative 1. I'm going to divide by negative 1. And notice I'm dividing by negative 1 on both sides. Okay, because that's how I get x by itself. So this is 9 divided by 1 is 9. And a positive divided by a negative is negative. X equals negative 9. Okay, and this is your practice problems. Try this. 4x equals 20. X over 5 equals 10. And negative 2x equals 10. Try those 3.